guys, it's Phoebe. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope everyone's having a lovely day. Alright you guys, so in today's video I have a haul, a thrifty haul. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. This one, maybe this one. Let's do this one. Alright, so I have 3 of these. Look how spooky these colors look. Just in time for Halloween. I am currently working on a spooky journal, so I very well might incorporate these. And you can see the link up on this dude. Pretty decent, not too bad. Here's this pretty purple one. And here is this orange one. And look at this one. It's almost out, but that's okay. I still think there's a pretty decent amount of material here to work with. And some yellow. Look at this yellow. So pretty. Also could be used for spooky. Karamia had given me some material that was like teal in one of our thrifty swaps. Oh, hang on guys. And ever since that material she showed me, it's wanted me to like expand with different materials that I can use. This set, however, says it's a curtain. I don't know how long, but let me get out close up. Look at the texture on this. That's pretty, huh? Super cool. I think this was $1. And this one was $1.50. This was 75 cents. So I'm pretty sure I got these for fairly cheap. Check this one out. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. And it almost appears to be like a silk. Fantastic. And it is a pretty decent size. Leather. Ooh, I don't even know what to... It wasn't $2 though. I know it wasn't $2. It was $1. There we go. Cool. And there is quite a bit of this. Check that out. Alright, so that was what it was in the first bag. Let's move on to the second one. We have lots and lots to go through, guys. I had to grab all of these because... Check this out. So this was 75 cents. So 75 cents, $1. It just depends. So, and there was no way that I could pass this up. It was actually like a fantastic bargain, you know? So we're gonna start off with this one. We have some yellow lace. Look how pretty that is. And then we have some dark blues. Ooh, I have one like this in red. I wonder where they had these because the red one had appeared twice. And then check that out too. Some blue. So there was only 3 in this bag, but pretty decently sized. Next up, we have, look how cute these are. These are like tan. Look at the eyelets on this baby. How cute is that? Oh, I wonder like who these came from, who owned them prior to them now being in my home, in my hands. I always wonder that. Look at this one. How cute. Like, why did they end up in a thrift shop, you know? Look at this one as well. Let me see if I could pull it out. Some of the pins did look kind of rusty, so I feel like they had been sitting there maybe for a while. Look how cute that is. No way I was going to pass this up. And they weren't all in that trash bag that I have them in now. They were just scattered in a laundry basket. And I said, you're coming with me. I've adopted them. Look at this one. I'm going to have to untangle it because she's a mess. But look at that. How pretty. I want to open them all, but I feel like if I stand here trying to unravel it, we're going to be here a long time. Look. Feast your eyes. Ugh. What happened? Why are these in a thrift shop? Alrighty. And let's see this one. Some of these I have not seen, you guys. So y'all are looking at them for the first time with me. Alright, check out this green one. Ooh. Que chuleza. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. I love it. I want some more of it. No, I think I got plenty for it to last me a long time. Let's see. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, how pretty. All right, look at this pink one. I think this might have been cut off of something. But it looks it, huh? Oh wait, I don't know. Maybe it wasn't. Ooh, so it like has a big old thick flower and it thins out. A big old thick flower and then it thins out. That is gorgeous. There's not very much of this. And I could see why, because it's really pretty. It looks very dainty, girly-ish. This would be great for like something shabby chic. All right, look at this tiny one. Itty bitty. Oh, cute. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I know I keep saying, you're gonna hear that a lot. I'm really sorry, but that's just how it is. That's how it's gonna be. I bet if y'all were here in person, y'all probably be doing the exact same thing. Guys, I hit the jackpot, you know? Who wouldn't be happy? Oh, look at this. Right, here's this one. It looks kind of like Minecraft lace. I'm gonna nickname this one Minecraft lace. There's not very much of this one either, but that's okay. All right, that's probably why they bundled up these together, because they're like, well, there's not very many of those, so these can team up. All right, so look at that. This definitely was on something, I feel, because look at that. Yeah, where it meets up, the seam. So this very well might have been on something else, and it is fairly long. Pretty good piece. All right, so that was the very first baggie, but I do want to show y'all what they refer to as the Peter Pan collars, because I thought it was super neat. I happened to have found 2 Peter Pan collars, and check this out. There's one. Even the cashier, she's like, oh, where did you find these? I was like, oh, in that whole heap of lace with that laundry basket. So we have a tan one and we have a white one. How cute would this be to wear for maybe Halloween on a costume? Look how gorgeous they are. I don't think I would want to tear these apart or anything like that. I'm gonna change it up a little bit because I don't want to have y'all just stuck on lace, because we have so much lace to go through. All right, moving on. All right, so this little baggie was also 75 cents. And I already shared some of these with my lovely friend Cara and Terry. Look at this gorgeousness of lace. And I kept this little bit of lace. I love to incorporate laces into my journals. Check out this one. I'm not quite sure. Oh, this reminds me of like something Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic would probably use. Because she would take something like this and make like a little, what are they called? Snippet roll or something, or even paper kitty. I see them using something like this. It looks really raggedy and they could just turn it into absolute gold. All right, next up we have this little bundle. Look how cute this is. Like, it would also have a seam. Yes, here we are. Very curious to know what this came off of. But look at the florals on that. Alrighty. What did y'all think of that one? That one's really gorgeous, isn't it? So this was the red lace I had mentioned earlier. I had found a little bundle exactly like this, that I took and gave to Cara, and there was some more of it. But here, I guess, was the rest of it when they ended up putting it all into baggies, and they're like, okay, let's go ahead and get it out there instead of it being loose, because it was honestly just sitting in a basket, just like this. But look how pretty this is. Gorgeous. This one wasn't bagged up or anything, but I still grabbed it because why not? Look at this. This one's a very light pink. Very pretty. And there's this much of it. I don't know how much that is. Maybe 1.5 yards, 2 yards, perhaps? Sure. All right, next up. Let's see. Got another little bundle here. I think we've maybe seen a piece of this earlier already, but it's all right. We'll go ahead and open it. Yeah. feel like this looks very familiar. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe not, because it has this in the back. It has a backing on it. Do y'all see this? The other one I don't think had that. So this one might be a new one. Look at this. What would this have come off of? Do y'all have any ideas? Next up we have, I guess it's a pretty decent bundle here. Look at that. Gorgeous. Guys, I am so happy. So happy. Because typically you find more or less at thrift shops little things like this. A tiny little thing like this, right? You don't buy a Ziploc of variety. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, there's just no way. Look at this one. How cute. I think this will be my last baggie because I've already had y'all here for 16 minutes. All right, look at this one. Some more of that Minecraft looking lace. Cuteness. Look at this little bundle. Adorbs. And some more of the little Minecraft bundle to add to. Ah, look, here is some brownish khaki looking lace. Ooh, that's pretty, huh? So grungy. Ooh, how pretty. Next up, we have, look at this one. How cute. And that's how much there is in this one. All right, so next up we have this one. I think this might have a seam as well. Yeah, I wonder what this may have come off of. Looks very roughly, very pretty. This person was definitely a crafter. I'm even more curious, like, what did she do? Right? I wonder if y'all are questioning the same thing. Check out this next cutie. Look at that. I have not seen anything like this at a thrift shop before. So I think this is definitely a super cool find. I love the detailing on that. Almost gives me like, I don't know, like country farm aesthetic. You know, it's so pretty. And look at the amount of that one. Brilliant. Last one for this little baggie was, I think I've seen this from before. Looks super familiar. Maybe one of the first ones that I have happened to show you guys. And there's this amount of this cutie. How exciting. So let me go ahead and count it because I don't want to keep y'all here forever. But let me see about how much I will have had paid for this. So I want to say about like $8, maybe 8 or 9. Because there was a lot, you guys. I'm not even joking. Look at this sack. It was full, you know. I can't complain because normally laces are very expensive. Y'all know what that's like. So I feel very blessed to have found this. So happy you guys could join me for this thrifty haul. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of your day. And I hope you guys take care. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.